So this is the headband that I wanted to put all the flowers. Actually, in my last video I showed how you can make all these flowers by yourself. So we now go ahead and attach the flower. So just take any side of your headband that you want to attach your flower. So I prefer to take my own by to the side, not exactly at the center. As you can see me showing this video, any side that you want to attach is perfectly okay. So I go ahead and attach with my needle and thread. You can use your glue gun to attach it, but just bear in mind that it will not be so strong as when you attach with your needle and thread. So the only thing you have to do is when you finish attaching with your needle and thread, you make the underside of your headband, you cover it very well. So I've gone ahead to attach all my flowers towards the end, just by the side of my headband. So I'll go ahead and put my applique on the center of the flower to make them more beautiful and cover up the patches. So I've attached them. Now I'll go ahead and draw out my shapes. So here I want to bead some shapes there to make my headband more beautiful in addition to my flowers. So that is what I'm doing. You use something to draw out your shape so that it can be your guide, like you see me doing in the video. If you don't draw out if you don't draw it out, it can make you to bead what you don't want to bead. So you have to draw out your shape so that shape will be your guide when you are beading. It is inside that shape that you draw out on your fabric that you fill in your beads. So like you see me doing in the video, after drawing out these shapes, I'll now go ahead and fill in my beads inside my shapes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and on your social media channels. It helps my channel to grow and it encourages me so much. So I'll go ahead now and fill in my beads using my fishing line. You can as well use your needle and thread. You try as much as possible to double your thread to make your beads last longer on your band, and it will have more strength. But right now I'm using my fishing line, the 0.8 strength fishing line. So I'll go ahead now fill in my beads. You can see the way I'm doing it. I don't take my beads singly. If you take a line of bead, put on your shape, you go ahead and feeding your needle back through the lines of your bead. Like actually one of my beading videos, I've explained this very well, how to fill in your beads without taking them singly. Seriously, you need to learn this method. If you don't learn this method and you are filling it singly, you are going to sleep on the project and it will actually delay you. So you see the way I'm filling in my own. I'm taking it actually line by line. And this one, I tell you, this method is the simplest way to fill in beads. Since I learned this method, my dear, I enjoy beading more and it makes my work faster. I'll go ahead and fill them in line by line, like you see me do in the video. I'll show you in less than 1 hour. Everything that I drew out on this band, I was able to fill them in less than 1 hour. When my work was ready. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends to encourage your girl and to help for the group of this piece. So I'll go ahead and fill in all my beads. I show you when you finish this, you take your band to the next level. You actually know that here in Nigeria, this band is no longer raining. So if you just make it for a client and leave it like that without putting a unique design of your own, I tell you, the clients would appreciate it very well. But you should know that once you put a design, it's not what you charge for an ordinary band that you're going to charge for this one. So every other thing in this video, I believe, is quite self-explanatory. As you look at me do it, I believe anybody can do it by themselves. So you see my shape is actually getting ready. It looks like a butterfly shape, but not quite so. So you can mix the colors of your beads to make it look more unique, like you see me do in this video. Actually put just a single white bead in the center. So the other ones are the golden colored beads. To my returning subscribers, I thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. If you are new here, thank you so much. You're welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more DIY videos, sewing videos, pattern making videos, for every fashion DIY that is related to sewing that somebody that sews can do. That's what you can see on this page. So I've gone ahead to fill in all my shapes with this with the beads. You can see them there. You see how beautiful they are looking. That my band is looking more and more beautiful. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.